I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share a Tkmaxx Australia haul. I hope you enjoy. Now guys, you know I absolutely love shopping at my favourite store of all, Tkmaxx. They always have the most adorable decor. Now because of the virus guys, most of the time that I've had the opportunity to shop there, things have been very scarce, but I noticed on this visit things had improved and I found some really cute items. Now the first item I found was this beautiful rustic home sign. It was just $19.99. Now I absolutely love the font of this particular sign guys, and that's what really drew me in. The fun part about finding things at Tkmaxx is the treasures. It's like a treasure hunt. You really can find all different styles of decor. Now another fun thing that I absolutely love looking for at Tkmaxx are adorable coffee mugs. There truly isn't anything else like them. This one, Good at Naps, just stole my heart. I really love gold and white guys, and for $9.99 I just couldn't walk away. Now you know your girl Chelle absolutely loves her leopard print, so I couldn't walk away from this adorable gift pack. Now Tkmaxx have some cute little gift ideas guys at really affordable prices, and I absolutely loved this coffee mug. It also came with a pair of socks, and at $12.99 would be a beautiful gift idea. Another thing that I'm drawn to at Tkmaxx are their room sprays and linen sprays. This one by Olivia Blake smells absolutely gorgeous. The scent is black tea and plum, and I spray this over my doona cover as well as my pillows guys, and it smells so pretty. It's quite a good sized bottle which will last me a long time, and at just $6.99 it's so affordable. Now you know your girl Chelle is also a sucker when it comes to throws. Tkmaxx have the most softest, beautiful throws ever. And guys, I'm truly drawn to the colour baby blue at the moment, and I thought this one was perfect. I love how it had the mixture of baby blue, the latte brown colour, which is the colour of my walls, as well as the white. Gives such a cosy feel. This one was just $39.99 and it comes from the brand Well Dressed Home. Now guys, I've mentioned before that we very rarely get any Rae Dunn here in Australia, so you can imagine my delight when I spotted this beautiful comforter set from Rae Dunn. Now guys, I was absolutely in love with this. I loved how it had the checkered detail on the edges, and it had the adorable matching cushions as well as the word sleep that went at the bottom. Now it just happened to be the only one there guys, so I knew if I didn't take it, chances are I would not find this again. It also happened to be the exact size for my bed. I've noticed that my overseas friends have been sharing on Instagram that there is new Rae Dunn pieces out there. So I'm hoping that if we're lucky, Australia will get some of those as well. Now, I also visited a number of other stores while I was there, and the first one was the Reject Shop, and I picked up this adorable ring light. Now, it's actually a ring light for an iPhone, guys, and because I film all of my videos with an iPhone, I was keen to try this out. Now, I haven't tried it out as yet, but I'm hoping to show you a brighter version of my videos from this ring light, and at just $15, I thought that was really affordable. Now another store that I happened to visit guys was a store called Provincial Home Living. Now if you love anything French provincial, country, rustic, this may be the store for you. Guys, as soon as I walked in, I was in heaven. There was just so many beautiful things to look at. But I came across these gorgeous blue polka dot little mini mugs. Now they were just $4.95 each guys, and I thought they were adorable. Again, I mentioned that I'm really loving the colour baby blue at the moment, and these truly stole my heart. Now they also come in other colours, and they also had blush pink, and it took all my willpower not to purchase the blush pink as well. So I ended up coming home with the blue, and I absolutely love them. Now I have a mug tree that I'm planning on hanging these from, and I think they look so adorable in my kitchen. Now I've also mentioned before that I like to visit the store Ronnie's Home Depot, and I fell in love guys with this beautiful baby blue pampas grass. Now Ronnie's prices can be a little high end guys, but they happen to have up to 50% off most of their flowers that day. So I actually got these for about $8.95 each. Now, another Another store that I truly love to visit, and I only just recently started to look at, was Ashley Furniture. Now, I didn't even realise, guys, we had Ashley Furniture here in Australia until a couple of months ago, and I came across this adorable lantern. Now, a couple of years ago at Tkmaxx, I got these lanterns in the large size. I actually got 2 of them, but I always wanted to have the smaller size as well. So I picked this one up from Ashley, and the colours are a perfect match. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share the video as many times as you can, and I'd love if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.